treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Infiniti G37X. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. A 3.7-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 7-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Infiniti infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as leather upholstery, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, heated seats, and remote keyless entry. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Infiniti ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.